Hey folks, we're gonna make a wood-fired fisherman's stew with 4 kinds of seafood, Cioppino style, and we're gonna start putting it together now, so follow along. Olive oil in the Dutch oven. In the brick oven, we're using a Vesuvio 70. Onions and garlic into the Dutch oven. Let's give it a couple of minutes for the onions to start to wilt. Add about a half a cup of wine, red or white, and we're going to reduce it. Take a couple of minutes. Crush the whole Italian plum tomatoes. Season the tomatoes with oregano, basil, and paprika. Taste it and adjust the salt and pepper. Perfect. Add the tomatoes to the Dutch oven and onion mixture. Back in the oven for 1 minute. Add the remaining ingredients. Mussels, clams, and shrimp. Finally, some Sobrasada, a chorizo salami made by Charlito's Cocina, which is wonderful stuff. Great addition to this stew. Stir a little. Cook for about 5 minutes to reduce the liquid. Oh, amazing.